Hey guys, so I had a request on how to save a print and cut file as a PDF so that you can take it to Staples or Office Depot or some other print shop and get your designs printed and then bring them back and cut them with Cricut Design Space. So I just want to show you how to do that really quickly. So first, what you want to do is click the upload button and bring in whatever image you will be using. So I will just click on this image and click add to canvas. I will then resize it to make it a little bit smaller. And let's say I wanted to have multiple copies of this one image. Just make all of those copies. And then I will click the make it button. And I think I want to make these a little bit smaller just for demonstration purposes. So I'll just delete those. Make a couple more copies of this one. And then click make it. Okay, so then I will click the continue button, click the send to printer button, and then click use system dialog, and then click print. Then I will minimize this screen. And my print options are now here. So down in the bottom left corner, I'm not sure how this works for a Windows PC, but on a Mac PC, down in the bottom left corner, down in the bottom left corner, you will click on where it says PDF and then click save as PDF. And then you can just save this image as whatever you want to. So I'll just put and save it wherever you want to on your computer. After you've done that, you can open up your Finder and then look for that image on your computer. So I'll just open this. And as you can see, whenever they print this image or this document, it will print with the black registration mark. So once they print the paper for you, you will be able to come home, put the paper on your Cricut mat, and then load it into your Cricut machine and cut out the picture as you normally would. So I hope that this tutorial was very helpful for you in learning how to use the print then cut feature to save it as a PDF and take it to a print shop. Thanks for watching.